came up with this idea a few years ago when I was thinking about the simplest way to teach beginners how to trade. And I was also curious to see if it was something that would help me stay focused as well. I've been trading with these charts again the past couple weeks, and I've really enjoyed it. I've got some older variations that I'll show you as well, but this is a new simplified version. Obviously I have the background for the charts, red or green. I've got my solar wind indicator printing the candles, only printing red on this chart, only printing green on the green chart. Then I've got volume delta, and these dots are from volume delta as well. Again, sticking with the green theme on this chart and the red theme on this chart. I've got a second data series with Heiken-Ashi candles. So if the solar wind was printing red here, I've got it printing white on the long chart. Same with the Heiken-Ashi. If these Heiken-Ashi candles were red, they're printing white. Same with the delta. The delta was printing red. On this green chart, it's printing white. I've got my 20 SMA in white on both of the charts. And this is the center of the opening range. The idea behind this is to be able to look at both charts and see which one looks more enticing, what has more going on for it, and trade on the chart that is most lit up in its respective color. This is today's morning session from the New York session. These are both NQ 1-minute charts. See, the first candle did absolutely nothing. Second candle, we started to get some strong delta coming in. We're still hanging out around VWAP, and it's the first 2 minutes of the open. Still kind of just waiting to see what's going to pan out here. Then we start to get some bearish negative delta coming in, get some red candles. We start closing below the 20. We're getting these bearish wicking candles still under the 20. Get some more negative delta coming in. I wasn't trying to sell the potential bottom down here. We retraced back up to the 20 SMA. So you can see we got some strong bullish delta coming in, but look at the close of this candle after we get the strong bullish delta. It's buttoned up right against the 20. I'm not going to take a long right into the 20 SMA when we're this close. I'd want to see it break above the 20. Then you can see we also have VWAP. I'd want to see it back above VWAP. And I want to see it taking out these previous highs before I got into a long. So we're getting the rejection off of the 20. And this candle right here, this is the first trade of the day that I took. We broke below these recent lows with some pretty good conviction. This is a nice size candle, nice size delta. Heiken-Ashi was red. We had the flat butt Heiken-Ashi candles. A lot of delta, over 800 on the NQ 1 minute. Got into a short there. I got into another short when I saw the delta continuing to be strong. Still have more of the flat butt Heiken-Ashi candles here. Now our candles are getting a little tinier, bigger wicks. You can see delta's drying up, less and less negative delta coming in. Start getting some positive delta over here. Eventually the solar wind turns the candles green. However, I did not get into a long till this candle. See, we made it up to the 20, had a little rejection off the 20. This candle, 3 minutes after the news, I got into a long at the close of this candle. A bunch of strong delta, nice big full-bodied candle, close above the 20 SMA. Got into a nice long there. Started getting the flat butt Heiken-Ashi, more strong delta coming in. Bounced off the center of the opening range back to the 20. So you might want to try something like this out. It might help you stay focused on one particular side of the market. I can show you an older version that I had set up here. On this version, I've got the moving average crossover painting the candlesticks. And on my data series, I've got the body outline, the body wick, the color for the down bars and the up bars, all set to transparent. So the only thing that's printing these candles is the moving average crossover. So if price is above the 20 SMA, I'll have a bunch of green candles. And if price is below the 20 SMA, I've got red candles. So that helps me keep my focus on the current trend direction even more. And then all these dollar signs, these are from various indicator signals. Sometimes I'll use a bunch of divergence signals from the Divergence Engine indicator, measuring the divergence on a bunch of different oscillators and volume and delta On this particular chart, this is measuring a bunch of different moving average crossovers and trend slopes. So even though I can't see the candles here, I'm seeing a bunch of potential slowdown here. And then when we get this nice big candle and a break above the 20, bunch of delta coming into the upside. Definitely interested in a long, especially as it's breaking above this S1 pivot. This is another version where I've got the color for the up and down candles transparent, but I've got the outline in a silver, so I can still see the candlesticks on both charts. Just thought I'd share this idea in case anyone else found it helpful. I haven't seen anyone else that's ever been doing this. So hopefully this gives you some good ideas for your own trading. And if you're interested in any of these indicators, or if you're interested in getting a 90% off Apex Trader funding account, using the coupon code MonkeyMan at Apex or NINZA Indicators will get you the best possible price, and it also helps support the work that I do on this channel, and it's greatly appreciated. If you're enjoying this content, please consider a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.